Hi, hello, and welcome to Buva's tutorials. Today we are going to discuss 11th Standard English Unit 3 Supplementary, The First Patient. It is written by Christopher Victor Burgess, called C.V.Burgess. Actually is a popular for his situational comedy. C.V.Burgess, the author's situational humor, intensifies the emotions of the characters in the play. This play brings out humor in a dentist clinic. So the unexpected incidents create emotion in the readers, and finally it leads to humor. So the entire play is enacted in a dental clinic. In the clinic, there were 8 men, 8 women, and some children. All are waiting for the dentist's arrival. So, after the arrival of dentist, Joe, the first patient, entered the surgery room. Then the nurse comes out of the surgery and re-enters with a large hammer. Now, the people outside have their own imagination about the use of the hammer inside the surgery. Now, the sound of hammering is heard, and Joe's wife is frightened that it is being used on him. Others are trying to pacify her, saying that the dentist knows what to do. Again, the nurse comes out of the surgery and re-enters with a pair of pliers. Now, Joe's wife feels that Joe is suffering with pain from the use of all these instruments. Once again, the nurse fetched a hacksaw, and the patients interpreted them to be the sounds of removing teeth. They were very scared on hearing the hammering sounds. So, out of fear, one after the other, all the patients left the clinic. Joe's wife was left alone and she had worried about her husband. Joe came out and explained that the heavy tools were used to open a wooden box. Thus, the author brought a humorous climax and used the events to create great humor. Hope you understood. Thank you.